Hi little farmers, I was hoping that you could help us find our missing sunflowers. We woke up this morning and found only one sunflower left in our bucket, so we need your help to find the others. Our first clue.
Use the sunflower to measure 10 lengths from the yellow line.
Okay, so it looks like we need to start at this truck and use this sunflower to measure 10 steps to the windmill. What you need to do is with your sunflower, mark from the bottom to the top 10 times. Look, we found our next clue.
Use your ribbon's length to measure the weight. 900 centimeters will lead you today. But wait before you set out on this quest. A tip to make sure you're measuring your best. 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter, so stretch out your ribbon. This couldn't be neater. To get the next clue, lay the ribbon straight. It's 9 meters to the sandpit. You're going to do great. So let's get measuring. Let's see what you can do. Dig in the sand to find your next clue.
Now we have to use this 1 meter ribbon and measure 900 centimeters, which is 9 meters. Look, Oliver, our next clue.
In the sand, draw your hand yellow and bright. It's 20 centimeters. You've got it just right. Now, how many hands make up a meter? 5 hands to be sure. Let's make it neater. From here to the tree, it's 6 meters ahead. So 30 hand lengths must be carefully spread. Count them as you go, one by one. Your treasure is closer. This journey's half done.
So I've just drawn around my hand and it's 20 centimeters. So we need to do 30 hands from the sandpit to the tree. That measures 6 meters because there's 5 hands per meter. So we need to measure 30 of these hands in a straight direction from this yellow line. All right, 1. Look, Oliver, our next clue.
From the tree, you find a stick so keen. It measures 50 centimeters straight and clean. To the flying fox, and now you must head 10 meters north, just like the map said. If 2 sticks make a meter, that much is true, then 20 stick lengths should get you through. Measure 20 sticks down with care. Doing this right will get us there.
Okay, so now we're at the tree and it's saying that we need to use this 50 centimeter stick to measure 20 stick lengths to get to the flying fox because that equals 10 meters. So just like we measured before, use this stick starting at the yellow line, lay it down and measure 20 times. Look, our next clue.
The flying fox is where you must glide to measure the length of your thrilling ride. Hold on tight and count with care. The total distance will lead you there. As you soar through the air, don't lose track. That number's the key to bring your sunflowers back. Once you've measured the flying fox's flight, the bucket of sunflowers will be in sight.
So it looks like we need to measure the whole length of the flying fox. Oliver, look, our last clue. Okay, looks like we need to measure the length of this rope with this ruler. Okay, so we've gone from the truck to the windmill, to the sandpit, to the tree, to the flying fox. Now we're on the other side of the flying fox and we have to measure the length of this string to get to the sunflowers. How do you think we're going to do that?
I think having this ruler and then having this on the ground and then seeing how long it is with this ruler.
That's a good idea. I've got a 1 meter ruler, which is 100 centimeters. So now what I'm going to do is measure the length of this blue sparkly string to get our missing length. 20. I've measured 20 meters of this sparkly string.
So now we need to measure 20 meters using this 1 meter ruler, starting at the yellow line, as always.
Let's recap our journey, shall we? We started at the truck and measured 10 sunflowers to the windmill. Then from the windmill, we measured 9 meters of rope, or 900 centimeters, to the sandpit. Then from the sandpit, we measured 30 hands at 20 centimeters in length each, which is 6 meters to the tree. Then from the tree, we used the stick, which measured 50 centimeters and measured 20 stick lengths to the flying fox. Then you flew on the flying fox 20 meters, which we measured with the ruler, and used that last measurement to get to our sunflowers.
Thanks for helping us find our missing sunflowers. See you next time!